Now let's create our panel layouts for the 3 cabinets. Mounting panel. So the pages. Let's insert some DVG, DXF graphics. It's already prepared. It's going to be a DXF mounting panel graphics. We're going to also set scale of these 2 pages 1 to 10. Let's move this one up a little bit. First cabinet, we can copy this one, and the second cabinet. Now let's insert the mounting panel. Let's say this is going to be the water, so from this point down to this is going to be the drawing border. Mounting panel. So we also have to add a structure box. Plus cabinet 1. Cabinet 2. And copy this one. So right here. So our mounting panel in the cabinet 1. Mounting panel in the cabinet 2. So the first cabinet is pretty much straightforward. There's nothing much on the mounting panel. Just some terminals and main switch. Parts devices, 2D panel layout, cabinet 1. Let's place a mounting panel. Let's put it here for now. I can go back and say, let's use this line and say some ground level. Object snap. I'm gonna go up with this one and say from the ground level so length, we're gonna say that we want to have on the 1100. This is going to be the height of our main switch. Main switch. So you have to put this one more or less. But since this is an empty cabinet, we don't have to worry about that so much. Now the terminals. Let's say place the terminal strip completely. So EPLAN is gonna calculate the whole dimensions, including end clamp, end plate, everything. And you have this option to place this terminal strip completely, so we're gonna use that one. Put it somewhere here. You could also add some, let's say, from this line and up. So 100. You could add some cable ducts. $80. Also in here. 60 with, choose those and say fill surface if you want. Let's go to Ctrl P in preview. This is how it looked like. Let's do the second cabinet in the next video.